Okay, you guys, I found the best travel backpack for like carry-on or personal items. This is literally amazing. So this, first off, opens all the way up so you can lay it flat like on your bed as you're packing, and it has these little clips to be able to hold everything in so that it doesn't move all around. Okay, it has a little pocket here, then up here there is a big zipper pocket plus these little guys and this one. Okay, and then in the front, two more huge pockets, side pocket, side pocket. Just wait, there's more. Okay, it also has a cord so you can plug it into like a little power bank, and then you can put your phone in here, or like your phone cord here, and then put your phone in as it's charging so that it's charging as you're carrying it. Okay, it has a nice padded handle, nice straps. This is also padded, so comfy, but you guys also, there's a pocket back here, and there is this little strap so you can put it on your suitcase so you don't have to carry it if you have like a rolling carry-on bag too. I'm obsessed, you guys. Like, this is seriously incredible. The fact that it opens all the way flat with this, like, I could not ask for more. My mother-in-law's going on a trip this weekend, and I think I'm gonna have to let her use this because this is just the perfect travel backpack I've ever seen.